Bitch, I be killing these beats. Damn, I got an M16 on my body. I told a little nigga to I got a badass bitch in the curl, little hoe, just get on your knees. I sent that little nigga up in the sky, so I just might shoot at the trees. Now we got damn, that's crazy as fuck. And way before I met your mother, boy, I was a virgin, my nigga, she made me a slut. Oh yeah, she's tryna fuck on that little nigga Chris. I say, baby, just pay me a buck. Oh yeah, shorty say, Chris, can I hold your stick? I say, bitch, is you crazy or what? Look, shorty, you gotta be insane.
I get another complaint about you from anyone, including an admin. You're gonna be packing up and that's it.
Alright. If you suck at my young nigga, aim at his membrane. Hey, little brother, you not gay.